V mladinskem centru Kotlovnica se je v soboto 13. marca predstavila avstrijska neprofitna založba Numavi Records.
It's kind of non-profit organization. It's Wolfgang started it, I think.
Yeah, I started it with the drummer of Killed by 9 Volt Batteries back in 2002, just to have something to write on the self-made CDRs. We thought it would be cooler if something like blah blah records.
Kako taki založbi uspe obstati v današnjih časih?
Play as much concerts as we can.
We are organizing concerts in Graz too, but it's also a non-profit thing. So.
Sometimes a little bit of profit.
We do one really big party a year. It's one day before New Year. We do a big party and a lot of people in Graz know it.
Predstavili so se 3 bendi pod okriljem založbe: Robotra in Danny De Vino.
Okay, I'm the guitarist of and I also have a drummer who's outside. And yeah, we make something like some kind of noise rock, math rock thing, indie rock, 90s stuff. Yeah.
Thank you very. I'm not really sure what music we play, and I think that's what this band is about. We don't really know what we do.
We like the people to dance to our music. That's the important thing about our music. That people dance and have a good time.
V Kamnik so prišli na povabilo lokalne založbe Chiptunes Records, s katerimi tudi sodelujejo.
Kind of funny thing, Peter from Niki Lauda told me today he bought a cassette per internet from a label in Graz where we released a 20 minutes noise session, and then I wrote him an email. We are really great Slovenian fans. We always wanted to play there, but didn't match it. So I wrote him, and yeah, it worked out.